Good morning, this is Sandy Cardiff. It's a gorgeous morning. We're north of the city of Dallas and we're in the town of Addison. And I'm going to take you on a little walk through Vitruvian Park. This is the retail area, and what I like about this is just everything is close together. The shops, the boarding kennel, the patios, cafes, the bars. We're going to head down to the creek level here. Got a few stairs to take. And as you can see, just a few steps away, everything changes. The creek down here is the whole heart of the park. It really ties everything together. Trees, the open spaces, the buildings. We got a really nice patio area here. It's a great place to come and play cards, play games. I really want to come back when everything's all greened up and the landscape is pretty and green. Everything is in bloom. This is the wintertime version of Vitruvian Park. We're going to climb the stairs, get a quick overview shot looking south. That's the Fiore apartment residence over there on the left. A view of the creek. Maybe you do belong here. All right, heading back down to the ground level. And when you're down here, you'll find some pretty cool public art tucked away into the landscape. Okay, we're heading down the path east. And I hear a waterfall coming up on my left. Probably gonna get a bit noisy. Turning the corner, we're heading south. Up ahead on the right, looks like maybe a wildlife viewing area. Not too much wildlife today. One little duck chilling on the way out. Looks like there's a bridge ahead that matches what we see at the entranceway. And we'll go check that out. We're gonna take a right turn. Crossing the bridge, we're actually moving west. I do want to show you this really cool creek on the left. This is actually a spring-fed creek, and it's sort of the headwaters up here at the beginning of the main creek that runs through the park. So, a bit of history. The name Vitruvian Park comes from Vitruvius. His ideas on proportion and human-centered design inspired Renaissance artists like Leonardo da Vinci. These concepts survived mostly in text form, but became hugely influential during the Renaissance, when thinkers and artists rediscovered classical ideas. The park's design draws from these concepts and emphasizes harmony between built and natural environments. right, we're heading west now, about halfway through the park. Got a little island there on the right, some bald cypress, and they are bald this time of year. Nice little rest area here in a circular fashion. Good place to stop for a break. Ooh, some interesting urban art. I actually kind of like that. I think I'll sit down a minute. All right, break time's over. Let's see what we got up here on the left. Living with the wild things. Very important, don't feed the wildlife here. Island there on the right, more bald cypress in their bald mode. This time this one is connected by a little footbridge. I don't know if you can see him, but there's a cormorant out there on the island. Let me see if I can get a zoom shot. And there he is. I bet he's a better fisherman than I am. All right, looking northwest, we're coming back to the end of the trail at the retail center ahead. You can definitely get your stairs in this place. Okay, that's going to wrap our tour today at Vitruvian Park. If you're in Dallas and you find yourself north of town, make sure you stop by here. It's a gorgeous place. It's a little cloudier today than I hoped for, but I'll be back in the spring when everything's colorful, so stay tuned. Until then, have a great day. Take it easy, step by step.